up? It's 3:09 p.m. Saturday, June 6th, 3:10 p.m. now, and we're here in New Brunswick. There is a Hungarian Fest going on, so we're going to check it out. And wow, I don't know what it is about New Brunswick, but it is so windy here. Always, New Brunswick gets so windy. But yeah, so the weather's awesome. It's 90 degrees. Not feeling really any humidity or anything. So that's pretty cool. And I do not know how big this thing is or what is going on here or any of that. So we're just going to stroll around, check it out. Got a little big guy rolling. I got a new lens on. It's not a new lens, but I never used it. It's a wide angle lens. It's a good brand, newer, so it should be okay. But we're gonna rock that one today for the first time. And hopefully it looks cool. And wow, look, okay, it's a little festival here. Food smells good. Yeah, the food smells good. So from what I know, this goes on till 6 o'clock today. This is my first time here in this festival. So it looks like a good portion of the street is closed off, which is super great. It's kind of warm, it's like 90 degrees, so hopefully little big guy doesn't overheat. It happens sometimes. But we got some time for that. Awesome, they got Magari Reformed Church. Looks like a Christian church. Good to see. Christian church, if it is, and it looks like a Christian church to me, Reformed church. So shout out if you're Hungarian, shout out to you. Shout out to you anyway, whoever you are. So yeah, they got the whole street closed off. This is nice.
Everybody's waiting for that one.
Yeah. Exactly. You guys have
Come with the price, man. Free today.
How are you? Oh, I see.
Hi, sziasztok! Hungarian or English?
I'll have to try that next time.
Okay, we got over here. Back cheese. A lot of cakes over here. Smell the cakes. Smells good, the cakes. Cake factory. So yeah, this is a cool street fair. Looks pretty big. Actually looks pretty big, this street fair. Okay, yeah, I heard there's going to be music here. Maybe later. I see people sitting here. Got some pilgrimage vibes here. Pretty cool. It's pretty awesome here. They got some merch over here. You can grab some merch. Hungarian merch. How are you?
Do you want the Hungary shirt or you want the
So I got little big guy, our Pocket 3 camera, covered up with a mask. Maybe it'll help with the sunlight. And I like doing it anyway, it protects him. But we'll see with the heat if it's good or not. I was gonna stream, I might do a stream here. Not right now, but I might in a little while.
Yeah, I played when I was younger.
Okay, let's see what's going on over here. A lot of food, a lot of dining going on here. It's like a dining spot. Everybody getting their grub on over here. All right. So we got to cruise over this way. I try to stay away from the music when I can. It's just part of the game. Creator kryptonite. Okay, they got cold drinks over here, it looks like. Some kind of drinks. Okay, and this is the landmark here, the church. Ladislas, St. Ladislas Church.
And the garlic.
And you have the Robert Wood Johnson right here. Hospital. A lot of food vendors going on. Wow, New Brunswick is the windy city. I don't know why. Always, it feels good though. I'm not saying it doesn't. It does feel good. But there's always a lot of wind in New Brunswick, which is okay with me today. But we're gonna hear some wind in the video. Big guy, let's see. I got the mask rising up here. Hopefully the mask didn't go over the video. Okay, we're good. Okay. Yeah, it's a very cool festival here in New Brunswick. Let's see what's going on down here. They got all kinds of stuff over here. All right. They got homemade stuff here, it looks like, over this spot. Knickknacks and things like that. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Pretty cool. All right, let's see what's over here. Okay. Hungarian Heritage Podcast. They got a podcast connecting the circles of Hungarians around us. Oh wow, okay, there's more down that street too. Okay. So it actually goes on for a couple streets. And yeah, we got some music cranking over here. All right, let's see what's going on down here. Got some hats. I did see somebody wearing a hat before. Maybe they got it here. Cowboy hats. Pretty cool, pretty dope, pretty cool. All right, so let's see what's going on down here. All right. I think I fit in here. I don't know if I look Hungarian or not. When you're rocking these videos, you don't always fit in wherever you go. Chinatown. I'm not Chinese. I mean, I stick out a little bit, but I try to blend in. When I go to the Latin spots, I'm not Latin, but I try to fit in. Here, I'm not Hungarian, but I pretend I'm Hungarian today. So, wherever you go, you gotta blend in. But it is pretty cool. Okay, so wow, it even goes down a little farther. Okay, so this is pretty cool. So they got the street blocked here so that street can go, and then you can cross over to the next part of the street fair. Wow, this is a pretty big street fair. They got the Italian ices here with the pretzels. Wow, pretty awesome. Wow, okay, so this is a pretty big festival. Huh. Oh, big guy. Okay, I got the masky rising up. Hopefully the mask didn't go over the big guy. I don't think so, but the mask is rising up a little bit here. Let me make sure we're good. Okay. I think so. All right, let's cross the road. Okay, yeah. So, yeah, I'm a YouTuber.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, this is my office on legs.
Oh, man. Yeah, exactly.
Here you go, brother. I'm recording the festival.
Let me give you my card.
Okay, cool, man.
As you're making your millions and you need a mortgage guy.
Awesome, brother.
All right.
Cool, man.
Great.
Yeah, I might. Never know. North Jersey. Never know.
Exactly.
I'm covered here. I want all the bases.
I know you'll make it. YouTubers make a lot of money.
Yeah, we do. I mean, it's okay. It's okay. You know,
Yeah, it's
like a business. It's up and down.
In New Jersey, I only have one job in New York as a loan officer. I moved to New Jersey, I get 3 jobs to make because
Yeah, it's a lot here. Yeah, absolutely. You gotta cover all the expenses,
and enjoy it.
and everything goes up, not down.
Nothing goes down.
It's like super extremely cheap and it was like the most random.
Yeah, this is a pretty big festival. Peace, man. Okay, so we have the mask rising above big guy. I don't know if it's covering the big guy, so I gotta lower this mask here. Big guy, I don't know. First day with this mask here too. So let's see what's going on down here. Okay, so it's just like a little playground over there. Okay, so let's cruise this way. Pretty cool. Hungarian Festival in his house. New Brunswick Hungarian Festival in the house, in his house.